Hello! You are welcome to a very fun new video. And so for this one, I am using blues and greens, kind of oceany inspired colours to inspire this piece. And so we already have the white base on, and I'm going straight in with layering the colours in the centre of the canvas. The first colour there that we have is phthalo green, and then I'm popping in greenish blue on top of that. And then the metallic that we're using today is gold. So we're pouring directly in on top of the colours there into the centre. But I am coming in here taking my dark blue colour. It's like a navy colour. It's Prussian blue. And I'm running a ring of this around the little puddle that we had created there in the centre. And I'm just doing this to create a bit of a contrast. It gives a bit of separation and division between that dark blue with the green. So that's what I'm doing here. And here I'm just going back in and I'm just putting more of the same paint that I put on already on there again, just to make sure that I have enough to cover the whole canvas. And of course we have to come in and put on more of our base colour to allow the puddle, when we blow it out, to just flow evenly and very effortlessly, that it's not met with more resistance than we need it to be. And again, popping in a bit more gold there because I just want the shimmer to really last. And we are taking the hairdryer and blowing it in 5 beautiful different directions. It looks mesmerising. See the cells just after even just blowing it, how they've popped up. Really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And to add a little bit more depth and shape, I'm taking my finger and running it from the outside of the white base into the center. But I'm trying to be careful not to come in and encroach on the gold that we have there, because I love the little pattern that it's left. So I'm going to try to retain that as much as I can. And we will find out if that works or if it doesn't. Now we've popped the painting onto my spinny thing. And I'm just tilting the paint here kind of back to try to center it a bit more. And with that, we are going to spin. Lots of spinning in this one. And you can see I've noticed it's still veering off towards one side of the canvas. So I'm picking it up here and I'm just letting it run back towards me, because then we have more of a chance for that pattern to be evenly spun around the canvas, not that it's all gonna go off on the one side. We've corrected it in time, because that's kind of just the look that I want for this painting. And now we are going to spin it again, and you're just going to watch the magic that it is unfold. It's so mesmerizing. I am absolutely in love with this color palette and the choice of color here. It's beautiful. So lots of spinning it in opposite directions as well, just to make sure that the paint will be evened out. It's so oceany, so ocean inspired. And look at the cells of that dark Prussian blue that we put on there. Beautiful. I'm looking at the composition now and wondering, do I like it? Do I not like it? Do I want to change something? And now here, I'm deciding I'm going to take a little segment of the bluey greeny colors off, and I'm going to add in a bit of negative space there, just for a bit more balance. I was not happy to leave the painting the way it was before this, but after debating for a few minutes on what I would do, I decided to take this approach. So I'm not overly shaping the sections that I'm wiping off, because today we are leaving it as it is. We're not shaping them into petals. This is a beautiful abstract version of the kind of style I've been doing recently and that you've been seeing. And I love it. I absolutely love it. It's really beautiful, this one. And yeah, we're popping in our white base there to fill in the areas that we wiped off. And we're not putting on a whole lot of paint, just enough to cover and evening it out. And that's it. It's beautiful. Really is beautiful. I also may be biased though, because these are kind of my favorite colors. So, even just that center, the contrast of the gold with that really dark, intense blue. Oh, and then the cells coming out over the green. Beautiful. And so that is it. Here is the full painting whilst it's wet. And here it is then when it's dry. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it's been useful or just nice to watch. And I will be back with you again next week. Bye guys. Have a lovely weekend.